Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 beauty myths and I'm going to say the facts about them. So if you guys want to know about those myths and facts, please keep on watching. Myth number 1 is that fine lines and wrinkles can be gotten rid of permanently using anti-aging products. Completely wrong. Wrinkles can be prevented, but they cannot be gotten rid of, at least not using anti-aging products. If you want to get rid of them, you can only get rid of them using Botox and not anti-aging products. Starting the use of anti-aging products at the right age will definitely slow down the formation of fine lines and wrinkles on the face, but it will not stop them from formation. Also, the right age to start using anti-aging products is from 26 onwards, because that is the time when the collagen of your skin starts to drop and it marks the beginning of formation of fine lines and wrinkles. So you can use anti-aging products to slow them down, but completely eradicating them from your skin, that just cannot happen. Myth number 2, your skin does not require sunscreen if you are staying indoors. This is completely untrue. This is not true at all. Unless and until you are staying in a room which is completely dark and it has no exposure to any kind of light, unless that is the case, your skin requires a sunscreen, because even if you don't step outside, the lights in your house, the blue lights and the lights that get emitted from your gadgets can also be harmful for your skin. You can definitely fluctuate the levels of SPF in your sunscreen when you're indoors and outdoors. Like for example, if you're staying indoors and you don't have a lot of exposure to sunlight in your house, then you can use an SPF of around 30. But if you're going outdoors, or even if in your house you have a lot of exposure to light, like especially sunlight, or if you have a lot of screen time, then it is always recommended for you to go and use SPF of 50 and above. All in all, low or high, SPF is very necessary. Never skip a sunscreen no matter what. Another sunscreen related myth, which is also myth number 3 in the list, that is, you can apply a moisturizer that has an SPF in it and you can skip a sunscreen. Honestly speaking, this is partially true, because if you're staying indoors and you don't have a lot of exposure to sunlight in your house, like you don't have huge windows and stuff, or you don't have a lot of screen time, then a moisturizer with an SPF can work. But if you're going outdoors, then you have to apply an SPF or a sunscreen, a proper full-fledged sunscreen on your skin, so that you can protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. Also, make sure that you reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, in an interval of 2 to 3 hours, depending upon how much you sweat and how much exposure of sunlight do you have. No matter what, never skip an SPF, because in the long run it is going to benefit your skin to the most. The next myth, which is myth number 4, is that retinoid and retinol are the same. No, they are not the same. Yes, the name of them is very misleading and it can make you think that retinoid and retinol are the same, but no, they are not the same at all. It is a very huge topic to talk about in a video that is not at all related to only retinol and retinoid, but I can make a different video about it. If you guys want me to, comment down below and let me know, and I would love to make it for you. But giving you a brief explanation about it, retinol is actually a type of retinoid, and retinoid happens to be an umbrella where you get all products, or where all the vitamin A products come under. So retinol is a type of retinoid, and it is not, both are not the same at all. The 5th myth, which happens to be the last myth in the video, is that oily skin does not require a moisturizer. And this is one of the most common myths that especially people with oily skin have, that if you have oily skin, already itni greasy hai, moisturizer lagane ki kya zarurat hai? No guys, your skin needs moisturization, hydration, nourishment, no matter what skin type you have. If you use a moisturizer, it's going to hydrate your skin, and your skin is actually going to feel more soft and bouncy. You will start using it and you will see a difference for yourself. But skipping a moisturizer on the other hand can make your skin very dehydrated. It can look very dull. It can look, the glow of the skin is just gone. It will not be there at all. But once you start using a moisturizer, you will see the difference for yourself. Like I said earlier, you will see that your skin is glowing. Your skin has a hydration. It's moisturized. It's, feeling very soft and bouncy. It has the glow that, when you used to not moisturize, you have it now. So no matter what skin type you have, never skip a moisturizer, because that's very important. If you want to skip an active base serum. If you don't require it, don't just use it, but moisturize your skin no matter what. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, if you have any more myths or any more queries, you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can DM me on my Instagram, and I would love to answer them for you guys. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.